An ordinary day at Rome's Fiumicino Airport. Passengers board an Airbus A321, their minds filled with travel plans, business meetings, and vacations. In the cockpit, the pilots perform routine pre-flight checks, ensuring every system is ready for departure. On the surface, everything seems perfect. But beneath the calm exterior, a silent threat is lurking. The engines spool up, their roar filling the air as the aircraft begins taxiing toward the runway. Clearance for takeoff is granted, and the pilots advance the throttles. The A321 surges forward, building speed as it races down the runway. Just as it nears the critical decision speed, where takeoff is unavoidable, something goes terribly wrong. A loud explosion reverberates through the aircraft. Flames burst from one of the engines, sending shockwaves through the cabin. Passengers scream in terror as smoke begins to seep into the aisles. In the cockpit, alarms blare, and the pilots are thrust into action. They slam the brakes and deploy reverse thrust, fighting to stop the aircraft before it's too late. The jet screeches to a halt on the runway, engulfed in smoke and flames. Emergency slides deploy, and passengers scramble to evacuate. Firefighters rush to the scene, spraying foam to contain the blaze. The once routine flight has turned into a scene of chaos. Thankfully, all passengers and crew manage to escape with only minor injuries, but the aircraft is left in ruins. In the aftermath, investigators work to determine the cause. Was it a mechanical failure, a maintenance oversight, or something even more sinister? Every detail is scrutinized to prevent this from happening again. This season finale reminds us of the razor-thin line between routine and disaster in aviation. It's a story of quick thinking, bravery, and the relentless pursuit of safety that keeps us flying. A sobering end to a season filled with lessons from the skies.